more free stuff, my fellow Ethereans. That's right, BFam has got some free stuff in his bags. Get your bags open, I got some more jewels for them. And this time, I'm putting some NFTs in there, people. That's right, some NFT jewels. Well, what you need to do is go to techmoneyculture.com and check out these 4 free NFT drops with big potential. Now, this article came out the 24th of this month, about 4 days ago. So, as you know, anything free in this game, people are going to be on it like bees to honey. That's right, people. I could have said flies to crap, but hey, right? Bees to honey, people. Bees to honey. You got to get in this early. So what you have to do is get into the Telegram and their Twitter, their Discord, and find out the exact day and time that these projects will be launching. That way, you have a chance to mint them for free. That's correct. You're not paying for the NFT. The only thing you are paying for is the gas fee, the Ethereum gas fee. Now, as you know, right now, the Ethereum gas fees have been low. But right now, because the market is absolutely booming right now, the GWE is 76 right now. That's right. So, if you want to get in early, or if you want some action with these NFTs, I suggest that you go to this website and have a look at, which one? Here we go. Sneaky Internet Friends, that's one of them. Next one is Yogis, like Yogi Beer, for those who know what I'm talking about. Next one is Illogics. And the last one is Magic Monkeys. More monkeys, man. Oh man, I'm getting fed up at apes and monkeys, people. So much monkeys in this NFT business. It's crazy. But anyway, the one that I've been hearing about a lot is Illogics. Out of all the 4, this one here apparently people, I still got to look into it, but apparently it has some potential. So get involved or dissolve. You either, if you snooze in this game, you lose. So you gotta be on point, people. You have to be on point. Get to work. If you don't work in this game, you ain't gonna earn no paper, no cheddar, no GWE, no satoshis. You need to get on this thing. Don't procrastinate, because I know a lot of us out here, we like to procrastinate. And that's the sad thing with a lot of people. It's very sad, people. We love to procrastinate. And when we do, we miss out on opportunities. So my fellow Ethereans, do not procrastinate on these free NFTs. I mean, I don't know about you, but in the stocks and shares market, I don't see Tesla or Amazon or Google giving away their stuff for free right now. No. But only in crypto. You get free airdrops, you get free NFTs. Jeez, come on, people, come on. Now, what I would say is, when it comes to minting these NFTs, these free ones, I would suggest that you set up a entirely new wallet, Web3 wallet, be it MetaMask or whichever wallet you want to use, Trust Wallet, whatever. But I would suggest you use a fresh wallet. Keep your stuff separate. Meaning, you have a wallet just for free mints. You have another wallet just for your blue chip NFTs, right? You keep them in a separate wallet. You keep them offline. You lock it off, put it in a hardware wallet if you want. But the point I'm trying to make is separate your NFTs into separate wallets, my fellow Ethereans. Just because in that way, just in case something goes wrong, you won't compromise all of your stuff. Because you know this game already out here. This is the wild, wild west. And I don't want you to get blown up out here. So, if you're minting any free NFTs, use a separate wallet for those NFTs specifically. Okay? Alright. Another project that I've come across, and I came across this because I'm in the RumbleKong League. Okay? Now, this project has partnered with the RumbleKong League, 33 NFT, pure, I can't even read that one. Pornopoly Country Club, I think it says. Crypto Walkers and PulseChain Monsters. So, I would suggest first and foremost that these partners that you see down here, that this project, BigTownChef.com, has partnered with. Check out their partners. Now, I know some of you know about RumbleKong League because you know BFam has been banging in your ears about RumbleKong League for quite a few months now. But besides that, I would suggest, not financial advice, that you check out some of these other NFT projects that they have partnered with, because you may find that some of them have potential. Just saying. Now, I haven't looked into them yet, but I will be. I definitely will be. And another thing, let me go back to Tech Money Culture. This website also gives you tips on how to research and what to look for when you are looking for NFTs. So if you scroll all the way down and click this guide I wrote, it will take you to this article where it breaks down on how to find the best upcoming NFTs launches early. So for those people that want to get in this NFT game, or you may be in it already but you need to brush up on your skills, I suggest that you read this article to help you on your NFT journey. Because hey, this is a journey of 9 lifetimes, my fellow Ethereans. Right now the market is absolutely heaving. I'm going to get to the market in a minute. But also, a project, as I said, is another project that I've come across is Big Town Chef. Now, some of you over here in Londinium, England, you may have heard of this quote celebrity, Mr. Gino, what's his name? Gino DiCaprio. Is it Gino DiCaprio? Hold on. Yeah, Gino DiCampo. I'm sorry, DiCaprio. I'm thinking Leonardo DiCaprio. Gino DiCampo. He's a chef, okay? And he has teamed up with these guys to create this NFT chef project. Now, I haven't looked into it that much as of yet, but hey, I heard an interview from one of the founders of this project, and I gotta say, my ears pricked up. That's all I gotta say, people. My ears pricked up. He was good in the interview, and these are his other partners in the game, and one of them, let's have a look. One of them is, the advisors, sorry, my bad. The advisors of this project, one of them is coming from the Sandbox, people. The Sandbox. And we know about the Sandbox, people. Metaverse and all that good stuff. So, I would highly suggest that you look into this project. Now, they came out with their token called the Burp token. Let me just go to the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and type in Burp. Now, they launched their token first of all, and then they are launching their NFT project. Now, the NFT project has not launched as of yet. Just like those free NFT projects, they haven't launched as of yet. So what you need to do, all of these projects, if you are interested, go into their social media and you'll find out the dates and times of the launches. They have not been announced yet, so this is how early we are. You know, BFam, I'll do my best to get you in early. Now the burp token at the moment is 3 cents. It's up 19% today. But if we scroll down and look at the maximum of this chart, you will see that it came out last year August. That's right, people. It came out last year August at 25 cents. And it took a big centipede dump on the toilet. And now, as you can see, we're at 3 cents. And it's been hovering around 2 to 3 cents for the past 2 months and change. Now, to me, this is just my point of view. To me, this would be a lovely entry point. A lovely entry point. I mean, I would have to look at the chart fully, but I mean, something that's at 25 cents starting price, and now it's at 3 cents, and the trading volume is over 2 million. People, pay attention. Pay attention. Now, if we look at the exchanges where this token is on, it's on kucoin, Gate.io, which are 2 centralized exchanges, well renowned in the crypto space, and obviously Uniswap. So, it's on decent exchanges first and foremost. And secondly, the website, it looks very decent. As I said, the interview that I heard from the RumbleKong, couple guys from the RumbleKong League, and one of the founders of Big Time Chef, it was a great interview. So, and these little gremlin type little things, they look very good. You know, I'm impressed by the website. I gotta say, I am impressed by the website. So, go and look into it if you are interested in this project, my people. In fact, go and look into this project and the free NFTs, especially the free NFTs. You got nothing to lose. All you got to do is pay the gas fee. Hey, what you got to lose? Even if it goes to zero. All right, so you've lost, $50, $100 on the gas. Okay, big deal, right? But if it doesn't and it goes the opposite direction, hey, you're making some ETH, people. You're making some ETH. Now, that is that. What has been happening in the cryptocurrency market since I last did a video, which was about 4 or 5 days ago. Now, on the last video I done, as you can see, what's the title of it? What was the title of the last video I done? I said, or we said, the bulls are back. Look out, Bitcoin. That's right. And what happened in between that space of time? Bitcoin lost its plucking mind, people. It lost its mind. We at 47,000 and change. Woo! Ethereum is at 3,000, nearly 400 and change. Woo! People, the bulls are definitely back in control. Look at the green on this chart. I thought I was looking at the Amazon, or I thought I was in a weed field. I'm on, right? Yeah. I thought I was in Kew Gardens. It's so green out here. For those people that know about Kew Gardens over here in Londinium. Listen. People, pay attention. Let's go to the charts of Bitcoin and let me show you something. I always tell my fellow Ethereans, look out, zoom out in it. Start off on the big time frames. Look at the monthly candles on this beast. Bitcoin is an absolute beast. Last month was green. This month is green. Not unless we in the next two days we take a big dump and this candle turns red. But I doubt it very much. It looks like we will be closing off this month on a green, which is absolutely savage. People, now don't get me wrong. Bitcoin could just turn over and flop. right? You know cryptocurrency right now, people. You know how it is. It's crazy. It's mad. But as you can see, let's go to the weekly right now. As you can see, people, we've been trading in this range for like since March 2021. We got up to 60,000 and change, came back down to 30, where people was like, and then we went back up to 65 and change, or 67, and came back down again, and people were like, you know how it is. And now, in fact, we came back down to 30, bounced back up to 42, and then came back down to 30, and now we're back up to like 47 and change. People, this is looking really, really healthy. But hey, we might hit 50 or 52,000 and might come back down again, people, to touch the 30,000 again. We might touch the 30, 38, 39 again. We could, and if we do, people, we could just come right down. But personally, the way I'm looking at this, the way I'm feeling, what I'm seeing in the charts, what's going on in the market, and in the bigger scheme of things, it doesn't look that way. It really doesn't look that way, people. But there's no guarantees. The probability of us blasting past 50,000 is looking good from just BFAM's perspective. Now, there's enough people out there are still bearish. They're still bearish. Some people are calling 20,000 Bitcoin 10,000 Bitcoin still. Like, what are you smoking, man? What are you smoking, people? Jeez, come on, man. Come on. Really? Listen. It's like since the beginning of spring over here in London, England, on the 21st, Bitcoin just sprang into action. She was like, hey, that's it. I've had enough. I'm going back up. I can't take it no more. I'm heading back up to the higher heights. And that's what she is doing right now, people. That's what she is doing. If we go down to the daily, look at it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, obviously there's going to be a little pullback at some point to cool off, because we can't just keep on printing green daily candles all the way up to 67,000 and blast. No, that's not going to happen. Obviously not. We need to get past 50,000 first and foremost, right? We need to get past between 50 and 52,000, so around that figure. If we get past that, people, if we get past 52,000, jeez, yeah, your portfolio is going to be smiling. In fact, your portfolio should be alright right at the moment, because the altcoins have been losing their minds. A lot of them have been losing their plucking minds out here, people. Absolutely, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful time. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong now. Don't get me wrong. Every day in crypto, whether it's green, red, or whatever color that you want, it's always beautiful, because we're in crypto. So that's why BFAM, I'm not the type of person to say, I acknowledge that people say bear market or bull market. Cool. But from my perspective, I just look at it as the market. As long as I'm in the market, I don't care what happens to the prices of these crypto. Whether they go sideways, up, down, merry-go-round, it's all good. Just keep it moving in whatever direction that you want to go. Cryptocurrency in general. So, things are looking good. Let's go and check out Hex. Now, in the last video, I told you about Hex, innit? I told you people, it's a good buy point with Hex. Even Orex, the indicator on Orex, the Orex indicator said, yo, it said get into Hex. It said get into Hex around about 11 cents. And what did I do? What did BFAM do? I got into Hex at 11 cents, people. And if anyone else got into Hex at 11 cents, well, you're up around 40%, give or take. You're up around 40% in the last few days. And that's what we like, people. That's what we like. We like these big big double digits percentage gains. Whether it's gaining up, whether it's going up or down, we just like it. We love it. We love it. We love it. So, and don't forget to stake your hex, people. If you stake your hex for any period of time, from a day to 15 years, it's up to you. You're going to get paid more hex. Paid more hex. And also, you're going to get T-shares. But I ain't going to go into that right now. But T-shares is the one when it comes with hex, people. The more T-shares you got, woo, you're going to be sitting pretty in a few years. That's all I got to say. That's all I have to say about that. But yo, hex is looking absolutely beautiful on a daily chart. On a weekly, if you've gone into a weekly, look, I told you, people, always look out for that weekly green engulfing candlestick. Once you start to see a nice green engulfing candlestick, there's a probability, a good probability, a lot of the time, not all the time, because look, we had one here and then it just dumped. So right now, last week, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and now it seems it will continue. I mean, personally, I want a little pullback, so I want to get some more hex at 14 cents, 13 cents. I want to get some more, but if it doesn't pull back, well, hey, I just got to suffer it and buy it at 16, 17 cents. So I'm waiting to see what happens. But all my hexagons out there, you know what time it is. Because remember, if you buy hex now, you will also get a copy of those tokens on the PulseChain. So you're just doubling up. So, for example, you buy 1,000 hex today. When PulseChain launches, you'll have a 1,000 P hex on the PulseChain network also. So you'll have P hex on PulseChain, and you'll have the hex or E hex, Ethereum hex, on the Ethereum network. So you've doubled up. You've doubled up your tokens, people. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. As I said, the drums are beating for PulseX and PulseChain, because that's going to blow people's minds. It's going to melt faces. That's all I've got to say. It's going to melt faces. People ain't going to believe what's about to take place. That's all I've got to say. That's all I have to say. Anyway, I'm just going to make this video quick and short. Now, you know the routine. Make sure you go and check out the previous videos, because it's pure jewels for your bags. Make sure you share it with your friends, your family, and strangers. Make sure you smash up the like or the dislike. Make sure you leave a comment. Tell me what tokens that you have on your radar or NFTs. I need some help out here too, people. I can't do this by myself. That's why I have a whole gang of other YouTubers out here helping me along the way. And also my fellow Ethereans. Make sure you click the notification bell, so when BFam does a video, you get notified by the powers that be, hopefully. Peace, divine love, and more Gwe and more Satoshis in your bags. Peace.